This is Chanel.
In Vancouver and in Langley. How can a fully image? How can a first aid cabinet?
Too many times, you can go into tapping jail. Hey. Rồi cái mình bóp cái dòi là nó xịt lên cao luôn. Rồi xịt cái đó để chống cái gì. Oh my god.
You're hauling it. Holy.
Oh, hell no. Bang!
God, you.
But anyway, she chose to change the words. I actually thought it was pretty cool. I liked it, but people are pretty mixed. So I posted a quick.
It's like you do something even like this. We are Egyptian woman. Yo, he's going oncoming traffic. Oh my god. Oh! Oh!
Partly cloudy with a possible shower today and 29 chance of showers tomorrow, 29 possible showers.
The disease. Researchers at Washington University in St. Louis found the experimental drug is effective for people in their 40s and 50s who are genetically prone to Alzheimer's.
Yes, that's his main weapon, but since he's got this ring that lets him throw perfect spirals, before they sent out Glenn, I remember one of his favorite movies, The Patriot. Daryl took the nunchucks and he melted down the chains of the nunchucks.
You lifted me to my
right and go around.
We're seeing these potential savings, and we're seeing this fraud. He looked for a moment like he was going to add something else, then clamped his mouth shut. There was that look again. Either he had some kind of tip he really badly wanted to say.
Most men don't wear perfume, Pigeon, or dresses that make that much noise. You're here.
Mom and Dad's old camper, their pop-up camper, and the boat.
Oh my goodness.
They need to go bland. They need to go bland. Like Andy, they just got to carry that. Yeah. Exactly. Well, they're on all of the pills, you know.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Wala gina eksakto pa ako. German store.
Playgrounds or mulch or gardens. In response to public concerns about shredded rubber leaking toxins, one U.S. federal agency said it couldn't prove any health risk.
For the second chicken McNugget, was that with tangy barbecue sauce?
Oh my God. Where?